Here's how you can add volatility 75, volatility 100, volatility 10, boom 1000, boom crash, 1000 crash. You can add any asset on your MetaTrader 4 or 5. Now, both on your Android Vision or iPhone Vision. All right, it's simple and easy. So let me show you the steps that you need to take for you to actually add those assets. Right, this is our account here. All right, and you need this account that offers these assets. So we'll go to section codes here and iPhone Vision, and also in the section of section codes here, Android Vision. So to add this, it's simple and easy. You have to click this plus icon here for Android Vision, and for iPhone Vision, you have to click the codes here, and then you click this search icon over here, and then you'll be able to add the asset volatility 75, any financial asset that you like to add. Now let's click the plus icon here for Android Vision. Once we click that, we see many folders. You see these folders, and we scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see volatility index. All right, can you see the volatility index there? Here's what we are looking for, this folder here. So once you click that folder, you'll be able to see all the assets. You can see this asset that we have over here, and you can just easily click this plus icon here. So let's say in this case we're looking for volatility 75, which we already have here, and we can also add these other assets by clicking the plus icon here. For the iPhone Vision, is the same. We click this search icon here, all right, and we see these folders popping up, and we have this folder volatility indices, and then we click there, and we see all the indices that we can actually now add. So the iPhone Vision, you can see if I remove like that, which means I've not selected the volatility 75, so it will not show up when we click the section codes. So we'll have to check it so that we can have it on the section codes, right? That's simple and easy. So now let's go to section codes. Let's actually add, before we go to section codes, add all these ones, and click cancel here so that we can be able to look at the asset that we added here. We scroll all the way down, and the same goes here. We can add all this, and then we have to go back here. All right, let's scroll all the way down. You can see these are the assets that we have added. All right, so now you can start actually trading these assets. But I want you to actually understand that you cannot just have these assets. You can see this is the real account that I have here, and if I click this side here, you'll be able to see this is my account that I have with Deriv. So what I want you to do is make sure that you go to our YouTube, right? YouTube app. You open your YouTube app, right? And you search Bozza Trader. This is our channel, right? Our channel, me and you will be actually learning more from this channel. So what you have to do is make sure that you click videos, all right? Because I know some of you will be trying to use MetaTrader 4, some of you will be trying to search and you will not find volatility 75. So I want you to have an account with the Deriv. So what you will do, you click videos, and the correct account, you need the correct account. You click videos, and you scroll all the way down until you see how to open account. All right, how to open account. This, you watch this tutorial. I trust you understand. You watch this tutorial here. Now once you have watched this tutorial, you will learn more as to how you open an account, which type of account you need, which is a standard account with Deriv, and then you'll be able to add, you'll be able to have the account and be able to add these indices. Now here's what I want you to also do. Make sure that you visit our website, right? If you click here, you'll be able to see our website here, right? Here is the broker that we use, that you can only trade the indices. You can also add boom 1000, crash 1000, Nasdaq, gold, any asset, any financial asset that of your choice that you like to add. So in this case, let's go ahead and actually look at the other assets that we can actually add. You cannot use MetaTrader 4. I want you to take note of that. You can use MetaTrader 4. So you can actually go to MetaTrader 5, and you can click plus here, and you'll be able to see this folder here, crash indices. This is where you get your boom 1000, your crash 1000, and you can easily add it by clicking this plus. iPhone Vision is the same. You go to codes and you click this icon here, and once you click that icon, you'll be able to see crash boom indices. All right, you can also add crypto. You can add any financial asset that you like to trade, equities, forex measures, metals, which is, we are talking about the gold, the commodity. You can add it here. All right, once you've added it, you can now start trading these financial assets without any difficulties. I trust you understand. So if you have any questions as to Bozza, I'm still failing to add these assets. What do I do? You need that account with the broker that I'm using, right? So this is a demo account. I'm practicing on this account to actually learn something, right? There's something that I would like to actually also figure out. So I'm trying to actually make sure that I also understand what is actually happening on the market. So I trust you understand. So this is the real account. If we click here, you'll be able to see deposit and withdrawal. So now I trust this clarifies things for you, how you can add volatility 75, volatility 100, and all the assets that you like to add of your choice. You can be able to trade them anytime that you like. So this feature here, it's for you to actually adjust whether you like to actually remove this assets, or you like to keep them like that. So in this case, if you like to remove and leave volatility 25, you can just do so. You can see we have only this. Then we can go back. You'll be able to see that we only have one section code, so we can add more by clicking this icon here, and we go to volatility and we add all these assets here. All right, and we can click cancel and we will be able to see these assets. You can see how easy it is to add these assets. I trust you understand. With that being said, I love you all. I so much love you all. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and you share the channel to other fellow traders out there so that they can actually learn more. Subscribe, and also make sure that you become part of our WhatsApp group by just making sure that you visit our website. You'll see the WhatsApp group that we have there, right? The WhatsApp group that we have there. So I love you all. Stay blessed. I'll see you on another tutorial where we learn more about adding indicators, using indicators, and more. Stay blessed. I love you all.